Shall we bake chocolate cookies today?
Yes, let's bake chocolate cookies.
This will be delicious. Can we plant some seeds today?
Yes, let's plant seeds in small pots.
This will be lovely. Shall we build a birdhouse?
Yes, let's build a birdhouse.
This will be exciting. Would you like to paint a picture with me?
Yes, let's paint a picture.
This will be colorful. Can we read a story together?
Yes, let's read a story.
This will be cozy. Shall we set up the tent today?
Yes, let's set up a tent.
This will be fun. Are we going to decorate a cake?
Yes, let's decorate a cake.
This will be sweet. Can we carve a pumpkin?
Yes, S. Let's carve a pumpkin.
This will be spooky. Will we make sandwiches for the picnic?
Yes, let's make sandwiches for a picnic.
This will be tasty. Shall we wrap the gifts now?
Yes, let's wrap gifts.
This will be delightful. Are we making a fruit salad?
Yes, let's prepare a fruit salad.
This will be refreshing. Shall we sew a button on?
Yes, let's sew a button onto a clothes.
This will be neat. Can we fix the bicycle tire?
Yes, let's fix up a bicycle tire.
Shall we water the plants?
Yes, let's water indoor plants.
This will be nurturing. Can we craft paper lanterns?
Yes, let's craft paper lanterns.
This will be creative. Will we build a model airplane? Yes, let's build a model airplane. This will be fascinating. Shall we make homemade lemonade?
Yes, let's make homemade lemonade.
This will be refreshing. Can we play a board game?
Yes, let's play a board game.
This will be fun! Are we going to build a pillow fort?
Yes, let's build a pillow fort.
This will be cozy. Shall we color together?
Yes, let's color in a coloring book.
This will be bright. Can we make a card for a friend?
Yes, let's make a card for a friend.
This will be thoughtful. Shall we mix pancake ingredients?
Yes, let's mix ingredients for pancakes.
This will be delicious. Can we sort this puzzle?
Yes, let's sort it. A puzzle.
This will be puzzling. Shall we plant flowers in the pots?
Yes, let's plant flowers in pots.
This will be beautiful. Can we draw with chalk on the sidewalk?
Yes, let's draw with chalk on a sidewalk.
This will be artistic. Shall we build a small wooden boat?
Yes, let's build a small wooden boat.
This will be impressive. Are we assembling a toy car?
Yes, let's assemble a toy car.
This will be fun. Can we make a bird feeder?
Yes, let's make a bird feeder.
This will be kind. Will we create a scrapbook?
Yes, let's create a scrapbook.
This will be memorable. Shall we decorate cupcakes?
Yes, let's decorate cupcakes.
This will be delightful. Can we blow bubbles?
Yes, let's blow and catch bubbles.
This will be fun. Shall we perform magic tricks?
Yes, let's perform magic tricks with cards.
This will be amazing. Can we fold origami cranes?
Yes, let's make origami cranes.
This will be delicate. Shall we organize the bookshelf?
Yes, let's organize a bookshelf.
This will be tidy. Can we pick apples? Yes, let's pick apples in a basket. This will be fresh. Shall we get ready to build a snowman?
Yes, let's prepare for building a snowman.
This will be frosty. Are we decorating the Christmas tree?
Yes, let's decorate a Christmas tree.
This will be festive. Shall we build a sandcastle?
Yes, let's build a sandcastle in a sandbox.
This will be sandy. Can we set up a terrarium?
Yes, let's set up a terrarium.
This will be green. Shall we make a chalkboard sign?
Yes, let's make a chalkboard sign.
This will be clear. Can we prepare a picnic basket?
Yes, let's prepare a picnic basket.
This will be charming. Shall we bake banana bread?
Yes, let's bake banana bread.
This will be delicious. Are we painting Easter eggs?
Yes, let's paint Easter eggs.
This will be colorful. Can we create a mosaic?
Yes, let's create a mosaic with colored tiles.
This will be patterned. Will we prepare homemade ice cream?
Yes, let's prepare homemade ice cream.
This will be cool. Shall we make a kite?
Yes, let's make a kite.
Can we construct this puzzle?
Yes, let's construct a puzzle.
This will be interesting. Are we painting wooden ornaments?
Yes, let's paint wooden ornaments.
This will be beautiful. Shall we assemble the jigsaw puzzle?
Yes, let's assemble a jigsaw puzzle.
This will be satisfying. Are we making jam?
Yes, let's make jam.
This will be sweet. Will we build a simple robot?
Yes, let's build a simple robot.
This will be smart. Shall we prepare a salad?
Yeah? Yes, let's prepare salad.
This will be fresh. Can we sew a simple fabric doll?
Yes, let's sew a simple fabric doll.
Wow! Are we decorating gingerbread houses?
Yes, let's decorate gingerbread houses.
This will be festive. Shall we mix smoothies?
Yes, let's mix smoothies.
This will be fruity. Can we make friendship bracelets?
Yes, let's create a friendship bracelet.
This will be charming. Will we do a science experiment?
Yes, let's do a science experiment.
This will be fascinating. Shall we build a Lego castle?
Yes, let's build a Lego castle.
Are we preparing tea?
Yes, let's prepare tea.
This will be calming. Shall we create stained glass?
Yes, let's create stained glass with colored paper.
This will be vibrant. Can we make a papier-mâché project?
Yes. Let's make a papier-mâché project.
This will be creative.